Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Grow Your English Daily. I'm Emily.
And I'm John. It's great to be with you all again for another episode focused on helping you speak English better every single day.
That's right. John, have you ever been in a new city, maybe on holiday or for work, and you just really needed to get somewhere quickly, but you weren't sure how to talk to the taxi driver?
Oh, absolutely, Emily. It's a very common situation. It can feel a little bit scary, when you're in a new place and you need to communicate quickly and clearly, especially if you don't know the local language very well.
Exactly. That feeling, right? Well, today we're going to make that feeling disappear. Our topic for today's Grow Your English Daily is talking to a taxi driver. We're going to learn some really simple, polite, and very useful English phrases that you can use when you need to take a taxi.
Yes, we will focus on short, polite exchanges. These are perfect for A1 and A2 beginner learners. We'll cover everything from getting into the taxi to saying goodbye. By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident asking a taxi driver to take you to your destination.
It's going to be super helpful. And before we dive in, please remember to like this podcast, leave a comment with your favorite new phrase, share it with a friend who is learning English, and of course, subscribe to Grow Your English Daily so you never miss an episode.
Thank you. Your support really helps us reach more learners. Okay, Emily, let's imagine you've just arrived at the airport or maybe a train station and you need to get to your hotel. What's the very first thing you might say to a taxi driver?
I think a simple hello is always a good start, right? Or maybe excuse me to get their attention?
Perfect. Both are excellent choices. Hello is friendly and direct. Excuse me is very polite, especially if the driver might not see you immediately. So let's practice. You approach a taxi, you say hello or excuse me.
Okay, so I walk up to a taxi and say, "Excuse me."
Great. Now the driver will probably look at you and might say yes or where to. Now it's your turn to say where you want to go. This is the main part. The easiest way is to say, "Can you take me to," and then your destination.
Can you take me to? That's very clear. So if my hotel is called the Grand Hotel, I would say, "Can you take me to the Grand Hotel?"
Exactly, you got it. And remember to speak slowly and clearly. If you have the address written down, you can also show it to them. Sometimes, especially with long or difficult names, showing the address is even better. So, can you take me to the Grand Hotel?
Okay, can you take me to the Grand Hotel? What if I want to be even more polite? Or maybe I'm not sure if the taxi is available.
That's a very good point, Emily. You can add please to make it more polite. So, can you take me to the Grand Hotel, please? Or, if you want to ask about availability, you can say, "Are you free?" or "Are you available?" But often, if a taxi is waiting at a taxi stand, it means it's available. The phrase, "Can you take me to," is usually enough.
Got it. So, excuse me, can you take me to the Grand Hotel, please? Simple and effective. What's next? After I say where I want to go, what usually happens?
After you tell them the destination, the driver might confirm it or simply say, "Yes, get in." This is when you open the door and sit down. Then, before they start driving, or maybe as they start, it's a good idea to ask about the price. This avoids any surprises later,
Oh, that's smart. How do I ask about the price in a simple way?
The simplest way, Emily, is to ask, "How much is it?" You can also say, "How much will it be?" or "What's the fare?" Fare is the word for the cost of a journey, especially on public transport like taxis. But how much is it is totally fine for beginners.
So I say, how much is it? And then the driver tells me the price. Let's say $10. Do I say, okay?
Yes, okay is fine. Or you can just nod. Then the driver starts driving. During the ride, sometimes there's silence, which is completely normal. Other times, the driver might try to make small talk. Small talk is just a light, friendly conversation. You don't have to talk a lot, especially if you're not comfortable.
What kind of small talk might they make? Like about the weather?
Exactly. Nice weather today, isn't it? Or busy traffic. Or they might ask, is this your first time in city name? If you want to reply simply, you can say, yes, it is. Or, no, I've been here before. Or for the weather, yes, it's lovely. Or, yes, it is. Keep it short and sweet.
Okay, that's good to know. So I don't need to have a long conversation, just simple answers. And then we arrive at my hotel, the Grand Hotel. What do I say when we get there?
When you arrive, you can say, here is fine, thank you. Or simply, this is it, thank you. The driver will then stop. If you have bags, they might help you take them out. It's polite to say thank you again for that.
Got it. Here is fine, thank you. Now comes the payment. I have $10. The driver said $10. So I just give them $10?
Yes, you can just hand them the money. If it's the exact amount, you can say, here you go, or here's $10. If you pay with a larger amount, for example, $20 for a $10 ride, you might ask, do you have change for 20? Or simply, here's 20. The driver will then give you the change back.
And what about tipping, John? Is that something I need to do?
That's a great question, Emily. Tipping customs vary greatly from country to country. In some places, it's very common and expected, like in the United States. In others, it's not expected at all, or only for exceptional service. If you're unsure, a small tip is usually appreciated, but not always required. A simple way to tip is to say, keep the change, if the change is a small amount, for example, $1 or $2.
Oh, keep the change. That's a good phrase to remember for tipping. So let's review the whole sequence. I'll be the passenger, and you be the driver, John. Let's try it.
Excellent idea, Emily. I'm ready. You're at the airport. I'm the taxi driver. Go.
Okay. Excuse me, can you take me to the Grand Hotel, please?
Sure, hop in. The Grand Hotel, right? That will be $25.
$25. Okay, thank you.
Okay. A short pause as if driving. So, how's your day going?
It's good, thank you. A little tired from my journey, but excited to see the city.
Ah, yes. Long journeys can be tiring. Well, here we are, the Grand Hotel.
Oh, perfect. Here is fine, thank you so much. Here's $30.
Okay, 30, and here's your $5 change. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Keep the change.
Wow, Emily, that was fantastic. You used all the phrases perfectly. Excuse me, can you take me to, how much is it, here is fine, thank you, and keep the change. You even managed a bit of small talk.
Thanks, John. It feels much easier now that we've practiced. I think our listeners can do it too.
Absolutely. Remember, practice is key. Try saying these phrases out loud. Imagine you're in the taxi. Repetition helps them stick in your mind. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of learning.
That's such a great tip. So today, we learned how to greet a taxi driver, state your destination clearly, ask about the price, handle a little small talk, pay for your ride, and even how to tip politely.
You've got a great set of phrases now to confidently take a taxi in any English-speaking country. Remember to speak slowly, clearly, and don't be afraid to show an address if you have one. Politeness goes a long way.
Yes, politeness is so important. Thank you so much for joining us today on Grow Your English Daily. We hope this episode has helped you feel more confident.
We certainly do. Keep practicing these simple phrases. The more you use them, the more natural they will become for you. You're doing great, and we're here to help you every step of the way.
Don't forget to like this episode, leave a comment telling us where you'd like to take a taxi to, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grow Your English Daily for more fantastic English lessons.
From Emily and myself, John, thank you for learning with us today. Keep growing your English daily.
Bye for now.